decides after 70 years that what he goes there for is to unlock the door. But those around him criticize and sleep. Then through a fractal on a breaking wall, I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we trip. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. Yellow people walking through my head. One of them's got a gun to shoot the other one, and yet together they were friends at school. Oh, if I were there when we first took the pill, then baby, miracles will happen as we speak. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. There's only someone to fly. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, crazy. Yeah, yeah.